In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your phone number on Signal Android. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once you've got your Signal application open, tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top right hand corner, then tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Privacy and tap on it. In Privacy, at the very top, you should see Phone Number. Tap on phone number. In the phone number settings, you got 2 settings that you need to adjust. The first setting is who can see your number. If this setting is on everyone, you'll need to change it to nobody, so tap on nobody to change it. Now your phone number will not be visible to anyone unless they have saved it in their phone's contacts. The second phone number setting that you need to adjust is who can find me by number. You'll need to change that from everyone to nobody also. Signal then asks you, are you sure? Setting who can find me by number to nobody will make it harder for people to find you on Signal. You have the option to tap on cancel or OK. I'm going to tap on OK. And there we go, we've changed it to nobody now. Now nobody will be able to see that you are on Signal unless you message them or have an existing chat with them. Now that you've hidden your phone number on Signal, I do advise that you set a username on Signal. This is so instead of sharing your phone number, which of course you are now unable to do, you can share your username instead. That way you'll still be able to exchange contacts and communicate without sharing your phone number. I've actually recorded a video on how to choose a username on Signal. I'll put it in the video description below so that you can click on it for your convenience. And that pretty much concludes the video on how to hide your phone number on Signal Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?